Okay, guys, so this is Jersey. This is the Northeast. Well, not Maine or nothing, because I know they probably freezing. But yeah, this is me on my way to work, having to use the windshield wiper fluid to defrost my windshield because it's cold. Look at that. It didn't even warm up. It's cold as crap. I never drive with my mask on because, hey, it's my car. There's my germs. But, it's cold as the mother lover outside. Like, it's legit freezing. Legit freezing. Like, when I tell you, I was at work and I was watching Arnell's, she's the YouTuber that I watch. I was watching Arnell's vlog from her Vlogmas. They're in LA, just chilling, watching the sunset on a beach, drinking. And this is what the heck we gotta deal with on the fucking East Coast. It's cold as hell. I'm tired of shit. Like, ugh. This ain't it. This ain't it at all. Alright, y'all. So we back with this updated skincare routine. If you know me in person or you've been following me on my YouTube or social media, you know, my skin ain't all of that. My mom used to call me connected dots because I'm a picker. I pick. But I come to the realization that maybe I'm just picking because I don't take care of my skin. So I have really dry skin, so I use the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser for normal to dry skin. Once I started using this frequently, I honestly noticed that it really is my dry skin because now it's like I really have less breakouts. My skin was just trying to fix itself, trying to produce the right amount of oils that I need. So I take my hands first so that way when I use this Vanity Planet brush, like I don't get marks, splatter, water all over my mirror and all of that stuff. So I just use that and I make sure I get pretty much almost every inch of my face, especially under the chin, because I find myself getting a lot of breakouts on that area. And they're not fun because then I touch my face at work and it's mainly around my jawline, and I really want to get that taken care of. It's not cute at all. Here I'm just taking I'm taking a dry rag and I'm wetting it with warm water. Always use 2 rags for your body and your face. You don't want doodle remnants all on your face. That's not cute. So this rag I use for my face. And you just take warm water and don't rub, don't scrape, don't go in circles. That's how you irritate your skin. You just take it and you take one sweeping motion, try to get it all off. Don't rub, like it's really not good for your skin at all. Trust me, I know. You see I'm yellow, I turn red. It's not cute. So what I do usually 2 times a week, I take my baking soda, and I actually saw this on Instagram, and it actually works for me. It doesn't exfoliate like crazy because your skin is still sensitive whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin. Like that St. Ives scrub, I actually learned from a dermatologist that the little beads that they use, whatever type of beads or shells, whatever that is, because they're not smooth, they don't have smooth edges, they're literally grounded up like shells or whatever the case is, it'll literally give you little minor cuts in your skin, like microscopic cuts that you cannot see. And it's in no way good. At least baking soda is very fine. All the pieces are one size, they're very refined, so you won't be scratching up your skin like crazy. That's just not a good thing. So I usually just take warm water with my hands and I try to get majority off. Like I said, even though it is more refined than like a St. Ives facial scrub, you still don't want to take that rag and go scraping the baking soda across your face. So I like to try to take my hands and get as much as I can off, and then I'll take the rag and get like the little pieces that I can't get anymore. And that's just my face realizing that it's a lot more baking soda on my face than what I actually thought. So just wiping all of that off. Next, I take my Dickinson's Witch Hazel. This stuff, I honestly just got into using a toner a while ago, and at first I thought, okay, it just makes my skin really dry, but that's because I would use a makeup wipe, take my makeup off, and then use the toner, which you're definitely not supposed to do, because the makeup wipe will not take all of your makeup off. PSA, it will not take all of your makeup off. That is not what it's for. But the toner does actually help give me that last little bit of cleanse that I need on my skin. So now I'm taking this CeraVe facial moisturizing lotion in the AM, because this actually has sunscreen in it, which is really, really good. No matter, like I said before, no matter what your skin type is, sunscreen will help, and it actually makes a really big difference on your skin. It really, really, really does. So I use this. I'm moving in, moisturize my face, and it actually does keep my face moisturized. And for those of you out there buying like sunscreen is like SPF 50, 60, actually SPF 30 is actually really good for your skin. It actually protects 95% of your skin. All that extra 50, 60, 80, 90% is actually too harsh for your skin. So don't think that just because it's 30 is not going to give your skin the protection that it needs from the rays. So yes, like I said, it moisturizes my face, but I also like to use this rose body oil. I actually got this from my friend's online herbal shop, and I know you're saying, ooh, oil, you're gonna put pimples. This, I don't put a lot. I do like a couple drops in my hand, rub it, and I pat it in. It really, really helps give me that extra moisture look and feel that I need, especially since it's wintertime and it's cold. So there you guys have it, my very new updated skin routine. My skin loves every single one of these products, and it did take me a while to find out what's good for my skin, and I suggest you do the same. But I'm just telling you what works for my dry skin. So see you guys. Love you.